Okay, so how many of you have installed software? How many of you have installed Oracle?
Hello, sir. I have installed.
Good morning, sir. I have installed already.
Sorry, guys, what? Who installed? We got Balakrishna installed. Sino,
Santosh Kumar Singh has installed.
Yasmin installed. Arvind installed.
Yeah, Ashok here, sir. Yeah, me also installed, sir.
Okay, so like, can you raise hand in chat? Let me see how many of you installed. Yeah, Tapasvi installed. Yasmin installed. Yasmin installed. Ashok installed. Others? Okay, so install it today. It's a very simple steps, guys. Rahul install. Okay, very simple steps, guys. I have mentioned in the recording as well as in the document. Okay, if you'll follow that, you will be able to install it. Okay, and then start practicing. Today onwards, what I'll do, no, I'll give access for the this like some of the few recordings. Okay, like only few recordings. But if you want full, then talk to Rahul, sorry, Bisal. He will provide you the remaining access. Okay. Few recordings access will try to give you. Okay, by today, or if possible, then Friday only will connect. Okay, I have not installed. Baki, I will do that. Okay. Omkar install. Perfect. Okay, guys. So please try today. If you will be facing any problem, then Vishal will help you to install the software. Okay. Mac. Anyone with Mac?
Yes, I'm using Mac.
Okay. So you have installed. You try to install. You try to install.
Yes, I'm trying to install it.
Okay, okay. Okay, try to install and then let me know if you're facing any problem. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the chapter. Like installation part, we can discuss on Friday also. Just try this today. If you're facing any problem, then let me know. We'll try to help you. Okay. And coming back to the remaining topic, we have covered in last class. Last class we have covered introduction to SQL, DBMS versus RDBMS, some differences between RDBMS and DBMS, and then sub-language in SQL. Okay, so these are the topics we have finished in last class. What we are going to do today, we are going to learn data types in Oracle. Okay, so what are the data types in Oracle? Very easy. Okay, so when we try to create a table, okay, when we try to create a table in the SQL, so what will happen? What will happen? That time you have to that time you have to pass the column names and what type of data you are going to insert. Okay, we have different format while we create the tables. I'll show you that. So your data will be in a tabular format. So these tables will be there. So users will create this table. Okay. Users will create this table, and these are the columns. Okay. These are the columns with the employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, commission percent. These are the column names. Okay. If you want to see the structure of employees table, you can see DSC and employees. It will give you the structure of the table. Structure of the table. What are the columns are added? All these things. Now, if you'll see here, this is the employees table details. Okay. Employees table. In employees table, we have employee ID. Correct. We have employee ID, first name, last name, and all columns are there. So we have 107 rows are there. 107 rows are there in or like uh, 107 rows are there in employees table, and columns. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 columns are there in this one. So, but if you'll see the structure, you'll see that employee ID and it's mentioned number means what? It will accept only numbers. If you'll see the properties of the employees table, employee ID only, you see all are numbers only. We don't have any characters. We don't have any characters in this one. Okay. So only all are characters, all are numbers, not characters, not a string. Okay. So that's why they have mentioned as a number. So what it means, the data type is number here. Okay. And six means the length, how much value it will accept. If you'll see this, it is having three value, three length. Okay. So here they have mentioned six. Up to six value it will accept. Up to six value it will accept, like 100, and then another three letters can be added in this. Another three numbers can be added in this. Okay. So this is the general format of assigning a data type with the column name and then length of it. Like if you will see first name they have mentioned as a varchar means this will represent your strings. Okay, strings or characters. Okay, strings or character it will perform, and that will be length will be 20. Okay, length will be 20. Length will be 20. So if you'll see here, the first name is string. The first name is string. Okay, first name is string, and characters are there in this one. Like in St1 we have 6 letters, but up to what numbers length we can take it, up to 20 character we can add in this one. Like Alexander is 8 characters. Up to 20 character we can add in this one. Okay, so this is the meaning of your the column name as well as your data type. This is the data type where char2 will accept all string and character data. Okay, then 20. What I mean to say data type means you will create a table saying employee ID, first name, last name, or any other with any other values, and you will assign that what type of data it will accept, and you will be the user who will be defining this employee ID, what type of data it is going to store in this. So if it's going to store numbers, then you have to give the data type as number. And if some length you want to specify, that also is possible in this. Okay. If you want the first name first name will accept character, then you have to give varchar2 as a data type, and some length if you want to define it, you can do it. So this is the meaning of data type. If you'll see here, the date one, hire date. Okay, hire date they have mentioned as a date data type, means it will accept only date as a data. Okay, it depends on what type of data you are going to insert this table, and what type of data, what kind of data will be there, what will be the nature of those data. It will be like it will be uh, you have to assign that data type only. If you will define as a numbers, and if you will try to insert characters or string, it will throw error. It will say that it's not characters. It is not character data type as you have defined. You have defined as a number. Then insert number only. Okay. While creating tables, we'll see that how it will work. But as of now, you learn that data type will allow you to enter that particular data only. If you want to insert any specific type of data, number, varchar, or date and data, then you have to specify that in a data type while creating a table. Okay. So this is what we have the data type. Okay, so data type mainly classified into three categories for everybody, everyday database. Okay, majorly it is three categories. There are so many other data types are also there, but we are not going on, in that depth. We are going to learn the basic only. What is the major things? They are not going to ask you in interview, but anyway, we supposed to know all these things. Okay, so string data types, your numeric data type, date and time data type. Okay, we'll see one by one, everyone. Okay, in high level only. So string data type, what it will do? In string data type, we'll have 4 or 5 categories will be there. One will be in a char. Okay, char will be data type. Okay, where char two, as well as where char. Okay, where char. Just read this one.
Character means maximum byte is 200 or default size is minimum 1, but in the case of varchar size, it is used to store the variable string within the predefined length. Must be defined it must be the predefined and storage size up to 4000 byte.
Okay, guys. So, what is this char, where char two, and then we have where char. Okay. So, char will be in a fixed length. Okay, it will be in a fixed length character data of length size byte of characters. Okay, maximum size 2000 byte it will accept. Whether we have seen 20 and all, 20, 25 and all, it will accept up to 2000 byte data. Okay, and if you have assigned the character value as 20, okay, if you have assigned data type as char, and you have assigned some value as 20 or 25, but if you are inserting only 5 character or 3 character, remaining memory will be allocated. Okay, remaining memory will be allocated, so it will be not freed. Like if you are assigning, if you are writing something like char, okay, char, and then making it 20. Okay, so it will take a space for the 20, whether you insert 3 characters or 20 characters or 15 characters, it will take a space for the 20. Maximum, up to maximum, how much it will go up to 2000 byte. Okay, single characters also possible in write. Default and minimum size of is 1 byte. Up to 1 byte it will accept. Okay, up to 1 byte it will accept. Whereas like your varchar2 is very common and very famous data type for the string one. Okay. If you see here, it is used to store variable string data within the predefined length. Within the predefined length, it can be stored up to 4000 byte. So the varchar2 is having maximum size, and it will store up to 4000 byte of data. So where it will store up to 4000 of byte data. Okay, and it's commonly used in all the places. Okay, wherever they'll be using, it will be used majorly. Okay, other data type they will not use much. Numbers, where and date will be used majorly. Okay, is it my voice is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes.
can confirm.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Siva, if you are getting echo, no, then you log out and log in again. Okay. Okay, so this is varchar. If you'll assign varchar also, no, any data type, automatically it will take varchar2 only. So before varchar2, we were having varchar. Before varchar2, we were having varchar. Okay, varchar. And if you'll make it varchar also,
Created a worker to size, you can use the worker size, but it's suggested to use worker to size. When you use the worker suggested suggestion, basically we got from the teachers that we have to use the worker to size. And number means what? Two types of number are generally use precision and scale. Precision is having the range up to 1 to 38 and in range from minus 84 to 127. That is for the scale. Precision means P means 1 to 38 or scale means minus 84 to 127.
okay. So if you'll assign varchar also as a data type, no, varchar also as a data type, varchar also as a data type, it will take automatically varchar too. While creating tables also, you
Hello. Excuse me.
yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah,
Excuse me. Hello.
tell me.
Yeah, your voice is completely getting echo here. No, it's getting some more disturbance.
Others, can you confirm?
Your voice is
Yeah,
clear.
yeah, yeah.
No problem.
No, it's good. Voice
Siva,
is very
just
clear.
take from your end. Your while talking also, we
Network
are not able to hear you, Siva.
network issue, I think. Is network
For
issue.
you, network issue is there. Just disconnect and connect again. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So varchar, it is the same as varchar 2. You can also use varchar, but it is suggested to use varchar 2. So these are the string data type. What about numeric data type? Numbers P and S. Precision and scale means what? You can assign like this. Okay, so precision and scale means salary number 8 comma 2. What it means? No, if you'll see salary is a number. Okay, and up to decimal number, two decimal number we can assign. Like you can the salary, whatever salary is there, 8 character salary, 8 digit salary you can assign. Consider that I have assigned 10,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. Then comma 2 means what? Up to precision, like up to 2 precision it will take the value. Up to 2 precision, up to 2 decimal value it will take the value. Like after decimal it will take 2 values. So if you will assign 8, up to 8 digit it will accept. And comma 2 means what? And this will be your decimal. After decimal it will accept 2 values. Okay, 2 values. Same thing for commission percentage also, it will accept 2 values in main, 2 values in main, and 2 values after decimal. Okay, it's 2 comma 2 like this. This is the meaning of your scale and precision, your precision and scale. Okay, so precision will be your this value, and scale will be your this values. Okay. uh, Number, it contains precision P and scale S. The precision P can range from 1 to 38 and the scale can range from minus 84 to 127. 127. Integer data type also you can assign.
Jayanti, your voice is breaking.
Siva,
Hello.
still you are facing problem?
Yeah, I'm getting echo here. I'm unable to understand clearly what you're speaking.
Others are not getting. Now it's fine. Now it's fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
now better, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay. So okay, Oracle numeric data type means what? The number and integer data type you can assign as a number as well as integer. Integer data type is int. You can mention as a int, and it will go up to 38 characters you can take. This is also numbers only. This is the another format. Like this way also you can define it. So next one will be your Oracle date and time data type. Date, when your data will be in a date format, when you want to insert data in a date format like this, then you have to go for the date data type only. So you have to define as a date data type only. Okay, so what it means date data type? It is used to store a valid date time, and it is used to store a valid date time format with a fixed length. It is having the fixed length, and if you want to define your date in this format, you will be able to insert the data as per the format, whatever the fixed format they have. Its ranges varies from the minimum lower range of the date will be 1st January 4712 BC to December 31st 999. Okay, so maximum range will be up to December 31st, 4 times 9 AD. The minimum range of the date will be this January 1st 4712 BC. Okay, so there are minimum and upper range is there. So January 1st 4712 BC to December 31st, 4 times 9. Okay, AD. So another data type also timestamp. If you want to assign date in this format YYY DD. So YYY stands for year, means month, DD means day. Okay, date. You can if you want to assign date in this format, and this format HH means hour, minute, and second format, year, month, date, hours, minute, second format. Then you can use data type as timestamp. Okay, you can use data type as timestamp. So this is what you will have the data type. Any question, guys?
Sir, what is the BC and AD, sir? What is the meaning?
Sorry, P and S. Correct.
No, sir.
Be- before
4712 BC and AD.
before Christ and after dynasty.
Yeah, so this is the minimum lower date you can understand. Okay, minimum lower date, like when the counting is started. Okay, when the counting is started, that one before Christ, and this is the 4 times 9 AD. Okay, maximum date range. Now we are running in 2022. Correct. Maximum date range up to this level you can insert in the Oracle database or some other database.
Sir, there is a one question. What type of number it is? 23456.676. It is a float type or integer type?
It is a float type.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so those things you'll be able to insert in the things. Okay.
So when the varchar is existed, why you are going for the varchar to?
See, varchar it was the previous data type. Okay, previously they were writing for the varchar. Okay, and it is having lower size, like 2000 character only it will accept. But they have introduced with the updated version as varchar 2. Okay, by default you also while creating a table, if you will assign as a varchar, no, by default it will take varchar 2 only. Okay, and it will accept 4000 character. It is updated versions of varchar.
VK to minimum size, what will be there?
You can insert up to 1 character, no problem there.
Okay, sir.
Both varchar and varchar to are Oracle proprietary or SQL standard. Sir?
SQL only. I see many places varchar 2 only they are using it. I'm working currently on Postgres, but these are the data types that are defined for all the database, you can say.
Varchar 2 is defined by the Oracle.
Sorry?
Oracle 2, varchar 2 is defined by the Oracle. Varchar
Yes,
2 is
yes.
not existing SQL because
Yes.
it's not available in other database.
Jay, what is the difference between the fixed length character and the variable length of data?
Fixed length in the sense, when we talk about char, no, char will have a very fixed length. Okay, fixed length character. Okay, and variable varchar 2 will have the variable, like if you have fixed some length. Okay, if you have fixed some length, like you have mentioned char in your data type, and you have mentioned 20, it will take up to 20 characters. But if less than 20 character also, if you will insert, no, like consider only 5 character name we have inserted. Okay, then remaining 15 characters, it should not take a space, correct? But it's taking a space for the 20, how much you have assigned, whether you have, you are inserting 20 characters or not, it will just not take those space, and it will take all the memory space, it will eat memory space for 20 only. But where char2 is a variable one, if you will assign 20 and if you are inserting 3 characters only, the remaining memory it will not take, it will free up the remaining memory. So don't go in that much of depth, we don't need that much, no one will ask into that much depth. We have so many other topics where you have to focus more. Okay, but good questions. You should be clear on what you are learning. Whenever you use numeric data, like if you see here employee ID, we have mentioned as a numbers. Okay, commission percentage is number, salary is number, manager ID is number, department ID is number. If you see in a database, your employees table is having, these are all numbers are there. This is numbers are there. Commission percentage also numbers are there. Manager ID also numbers, and your department ID also numbers. Okay. Okay, guys, so let's move to the
Sir, there
next.
is another one questions from my side.
Hmm.
What is the uses of number and skill? Means precision in the scale, is there any uses?
Just now I have explained. Okay, you maybe you have missed it. Precision and scale means when consider that you have a salary defined as number and 8,2. Okay, 8,2. So what you will do that you can assign the value up to now 8 digit. You can assign value up to 8 digit. Consider that we are assigning values as 5 digit, 10,000 rupees, $10,000. Okay, and then point up to 2 precision you can take it, 10,000.22, 10,000.00 like this. Okay, so that
Okay,
comma 2 means after decimal you can do 2 digit only.
okay, thank you.
Okay, so let's move to the next topic, guys. So okay, now next one is operators in Oracle. Okay, operators in Oracle means what? Types of operators. Okay, so you may studied in your college time, whether you have studied whatever the course, you will be knowing that operators were like arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, unary operator, compound operator. You may studied it like long back, 5 years back, 4 years back. In if you have done engineering, for damn sure you have done this all these things. Okay, so but if you have done something else, then maybe you have studied, or may not be you have studied. Okay, so arithmetic operators, comparison operator, logical operator, unary operator, compound operator. Okay, this we are learning from the school time only. If you remember your school days and all, this we are learning from the school times only. So but in Oracle also it is major, it is of important. Okay, it is important to know, we should know this one. Okay, so operators in oracles, we have different types of oracle operators. Oracle SQL arithmetic operator, SQL comparison operator, SQL logical operator, SQL unary operators, SQL compound operators. Okay, so if you'll go for the arithmetic operators, no, what it means, you can add, you can perform the calculation part like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, modulus, these are the actions you can perform, and it will work on two variables. Okay, a and b, consider we have two variables a and b, we have two variables a and b. If you want to add, then you have to write a plus b, it will perform addition. If you want to subtract, then a minus b. If you want to perform multiplication, a multiplication b, division will be this one. So like this you can write your you can write your arithmetic operators. Okay, now next one, like if you have two variables, okay, a comma b, if you want to perform plus addition, then you can write a plus b. Okay, a plus b, and it will give you some values. Okay, you can assign the value of a and b, some values, and the additions will be performed on that. So this is the this will be applicable for the others also. Others means the your multiplication, subtraction, division, Okay, all these things. Even though modulus sign, modulus, what is the meaning of modulus? No, it's very quite simple, but there is something else. Let me remind you again what is the meaning of modulus. Consider that you are writing 10 divided by 10 divided by 2. What will be the modulus, guys, in this?
5.
5. The modulus will be 0
Zero.
here.
Zero.
Oh,
Modulus will be 0 here. What is the meaning of here? When we do sorry, this is the division symbol. Okay, modulus symbol. Okay, so this is the modulus. 10 modulus 2 will give you 0 result. But when we say division, 10 division 10 divided by 2, it will give you 5. Okay, this everyone knows that, correct? This everyone knows that it will give you 5. But when we discuss about modulus, it will give you 0. Why it will give you 0? Because we don't have reminder here. Okay, we don't have reminder. It's not returning any reminder. So modulus will give you only reminder. Like if I'll make it 3, no? If I'll make it 3, so what will be the reminder here? 10 modulus 1. So it will return 1 only here. Okay. So it will return 1 only here. So if you divide it by 4, how much it should return, guys?
2.
So it will return 2. So this is your modulus operator. We'll see that when we'll be using in our when we'll be using our this methods, this topics into our query. That time it will be more useful. But as of now, we are not using. But you should know little bit idea on this modulus and all. The next one, like comparison operator. If you want to compare A is equals to B, if you want to assign some value to some value, like the comparison operator will have equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equal to, not equals to. Okay, these are the things will be belongs to the comparison operator, and we'll be using this one. Some value A is greater than B, A is greater than B, C is greater than B, like that. A is less than C, A is less than B, like that. Okay, A is greater than equals to 20. Okay, B is greater than, less than, equals to 20, 30, like that. A is not equals to B. All these things will use as per our convenience. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Comparison operator.
Yes.
So these are the operators, comparison operator, single operator we have to use in project according to our use. Okay, so we'll see that when we'll be using what is the meaning, you will be understand properly. Now SQL logical operators means what? We have AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator, in, like, between. These are all called logical operator. Logical operators will be this one. These are something extra we have included. So AND or NOT will be your logical operators. Where, like, can anyone define me what is AND?
Both conditions should satisfy.
Both conditions should satisfy. Okay. Okay. Now we have written here or condition. Okay. So what will happen here? What will happen over here on or condition? If your first value is true, if it's a first value is true and this value is false, then it will return true value. Okay, it will return true. If you this is true and the second value also true, if first operand true and second operand also true, then it will return true. Okay, false or true, it will return true only.
False.
It will return false. So these are the things we'll see when we'll discuss DML and DDL command. That time we'll see this OR and AND operator with real-time example. As of now, you remember this one. When we have one value is true and another value is false, then also it will return true only. Okay. When we have true and true, both the values are true as per the condition we have given, is matching, then it will return true. When it's a false and true, then also it will be true. But when the both the conditions it will be false and the values are not matching, then it will return false value only. Okay. So this is your OR operator, and operator will be your true and false. It will return what, guys? False.
False.
True and true.
True.
True and true will be true only. Okay. False and true.
False. False.
Okay. And false and false.
False.
So false. So what will happen in OR condition? No, in OR condition, either of the conditions should satisfy. Either of the conditions should satisfy. If either of the condition is satisfying, then it will return true value. If you'll see here, one of the value also true. No, this is returning true. But when both the values are false, then it's returning false. So in this OR condition, either of the values should be true, then only it will return the true values. Okay, it will apply on the values. And operator, both the conditions should be true, then only it will return true value. Okay, both the condition is true, then only it will return true value, otherwise it will not run. And not operator means what? If you are making this is the not symbol. Okay, if you will see here, negation symbol, not zero, if you will write it like this, it will return 1. Okay, not 1, if you write it like this, it will return 0. So what it will do, it will make it opposite. Okay, it will make it opposite your values.
Double operator.
Any question, guys?
Sir, I think its concept is clear to means common to Boolean algebra. I think so.
Yeah, it will be. It is there, but we'll not go in that depth. So these are all extra topics what we are covering for the experienced people.
Okay,
So
sir.
Boolean algebra will not go. Okay. Just understand the concept and we'll be using in our queries, and that time practically we'll see how it will work out. Okay. So your logical operator, in operator, what will happen? No, so it will be in a range. Okay, it will be in a range. If you want to find data between data for the two values, okay, consider that if you want to write the query, if you want to assign a value, if you want to assign a value in something like a is equals to b, we can a is equals to 10, we can write, correct. But if more than two values, if you pass like a is equals to 10, 10 comma 20, it will not work. It will throw error in a SQL. So what will happen? What you have to write here, a in like this. A in like this, you have to write it. A in like this, you have to write, or you have to write salary. If salary is equals to 10,000, we can make 10,000. But another value, when you are asking, this will work. Salary is equals to 10,000 will work. But if more values we have to find, then can we assign like this? Salary is equals to 10,000 and then 15,000 like this. Can we assign? It will not work. The oracle will get confused and it will not able to assign and it will throw error. So in this case, what we'll do, we'll assign in operator. Okay, we'll write in. So when we have multiple values, we'll write in operator. So we'll show that in a when we'll write select statement, we'll show you in that one. Okay, as of now you understand. Like operator will learn in the end of the session. Like what it will do, no, it will match the pattern. Okay, so while saying, you will be saying, he's like my brother, or he's like John, or he's like Ramesh, something like that you will say, while you will be matching the pattern of anyone with the other person. Correct. So same thing in here also. In a data, in a database, if you match a pattern, okay, if you don't know complete pattern of him, if you are matching a pattern, then like operator will work. Like operator will work. We have some operand on the in like operator. We'll see. I've kept in the last to the syllabus this like operator. But we'll see. This is very interesting. It will be very easy and it will be very interesting. Now between what they will, what between will do, it will be of and it will provide you the range. Okay, so if you want to get data between two range, then what you will say that salary between okay, salary between just a second, salary between 10,000 and 15,000. So what it will give? It will take a range of 10,000 and whatever the employee, whoever the employee who is getting salary between 10,000 to 15,000, 10,000 to 15,000, it will return those data. It will return those data only. Okay, it will return those data only. Okay, so it is giving the range. Range means what? One range is lower range is this one, higher range is this one. Lower range is this one, higher range is this one. Salary, whoever's salary will be between 10,000 and 15,000, it will populate that. It will show you that only.
Jayant,
Yes.
if we use between, it will it take 10,000 and 15,000 as well, or it will take 10,001 to 14,999?
It should not take because it will take, I guess, 10,000 and 15,000 also will be included. If someone's salary is 10,000, then it will show you the 10,000 also. Okay, but we'll check in database. Okay.
Okay.
So as I know, like from the past we have done this one, but we'll say check in database and we'll confirm from our side only. So in data we cannot blindly we cannot see. Better to check in database and then tell. Okay. So okay, fine. So this one it will be your logical operator. SQL compound operator will be plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, division equals to, and modulus equals to. Okay, these are all not required for the syllabus, but you should know SQL compound operators are what? Plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, division equals to, okay, and then modulus equals to.
Any not equal to, can we mention the SQL compounds?
Not equals to means?
Like add equals to means equal to operator is there. If you want to mention the not equal.
For this one it will not work. Okay, here not equals to is there. Okay, which value is not equals to, then something you can say that if we want to define our data like salary not equals to, okay, show me the value of all the employees whose salary is not equals to 10,000. So what it will do, it will not consider 10,000 in salary. Apart from 10,000, whatever the value is there, it will show that. Okay, so can we move to the next? If you have any doubt, let me know.
We take a range in not equal to.
Your voice is low.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we take range in not equal to?
Sorry, come again.
Range, like see, if salary not equal to 10,000, it won't consider 10,000 wala, right? But I don't want to consider between 10,000 to 15,000. Not equal to.
Not between you can mention. If you don't want salary in between 10,000 to 15,000, not between you can mention. That will see.
Okay. So not equal is used for only one in particular value, only single value, right?
One single value. If you are using operator like this, it will be used like this. But in the between, if you are using, it will be work like this.
Okay. Okay.
So not between and not in both are same.
Yeah. This
Not
what it will be used for the range. Consider that 10 people salary are between 10,000 and 15,000. Okay. But I don't want, if I don't want data of that 10 people whose salary is between 10,000 and 15,000, then we'll use not operator. Remaining data it will show, but it will not show that data. Got it?
suppose if I say not in,
Mm.
not in salary, not in means except those values, so the all remaining will be shown. Is it right?
Yes, yes.
Not.
Okay. We'll see that practically today only. We'll see. It's in our syllabus. We'll see how it will work. Okay. Yeah, someone was asking something.
Not equal, we are saying the salary not equal 10,000. It will
Mm.
not show 10,000 and
Yeah,
rest
yeah.
of data it will be
Apart from 10,000, it will not consider 10,000. Apart from 10,000, it will show others value.
okay.
Okay. So don't waste time on this one much. Just one or two times if you read, that is more than sufficient. Let's start from the second chapter. Give more time from the second chapters. Okay. It will be, it will be useful for everyone. Okay. So in this chapter, what we are going to learn, your data retrieval technique, as I have told you that this is sub language. DRL or data language retrieval techniques will have only select a statement will be there. Okay, in data retrieval technique, we will have only select a statement will be there, which will like frequently used in a we will be using frequently select a statement when will we define, when will we assign to any of the project in a real-time scenario also. Okay, so we will be using select a statement. Overall everything will be using, like if you'll see here, we are writing very first query, we are writing as a select a star from employees. Okay, so we'll see that how it works, a star from employees and all. So one by one. Okay, it's very basic, but I want to complete this in a proper way so that we have so many non-technical people are there. They should not struggle why we are writing select a star and all these things. Okay, so select statement will see, from clause will see, where clause will see, SQL alias will see, and then order by clause will see. So you may get confused with this one, but no worries, I'll explain you with the examples. Okay. Now guys, keep in mind this one, this table we are going thoroughly for our all the examples. You have to just focus on this table and you have to get what type of data we have. So this is the employees table and it is having all in employee related data. All employee related data will be there. Okay, just read this one, and then we'll start. Anyone is not in WhatsApp group? Anyone from this batch? You want to get added to the WhatsApp group? Guys? Okay. So I have sent one message. Look, please look into that. Okay, I don't want to say, but please look into that. Okay. Everyone in the group, I have dropped it. Okay. And when we say that select a statement, please WhatsApp me on this number. Kalyani, Please WhatsApp me on this number 6363190920. This is my WhatsApp number. If you WhatsApp me, I'll add you to group. Okay. Okay. So now we'll discuss select a statement. We'll try to complete this chapter. Okay. Guys, are you feel more or what? Is it okay? No, like we have not covered much.
Yes, Jayant, it is okay. We can continue.
Okay. Okay, so now select a statement, how it will work. Select query retrieve data from one or more existing table. Okay, so one or more existing table means what? One table, this is employees table. We, if you want to retrieve data from one table, we can write it like this. Okay, we have another things also where we can write joins queries also. We can write join queries also. We can write join queries also. Like if you'll see here, we have created a table and do we have joins here? No, we don't have joins. Okay. So you can join two tables and you can write select a statement in this also, like select a star from, and then joins will be you are joining another tables department where something like e dot department employee dot department ID is equals to this is joins we are writing, but you don't confuse with this join tables. But from this I wanted to show you that this we have written the select statement for this table, but we can include more than two tables also, more than one table also we can write, and we can use our select statement. So we are not going in that much of complexity now. We'll go in easy way only. So if you want to run your employees table, you can run it like this. What it means, like select, it will select all the values from the table. A star means all the value, it will be populated from the table. Okay, whatever the value will be there, no, including your rows and columns, it will be populated. From means it will populate, if you write from means it will go in and point out to this table. From means it will go and it will point out to this table. So general method of select a statement is the select queries retrieve data from one or more existing table, object tables or views. The SQL select a statement used to fetch the data from a database table which returns data in a row and column format. So if you write it like this, I want all the values from the table, from employees table, then you have to write select a star from which table, from this table. Okay, I want all the value, I want all the values, or including your rows and including your rows and columns. I want all the values from the employees table. That's why we have written select a star from employees. Very English, simple English word. Okay, the SQL statement, the star operator represent all the columns of the table. So what it will do, all the columns, all the rows, it will populate. Okay, all the rows and all the columns, it will populate. Okay, so this is what your select a statement. Select a statement. Select column 1, column 2, column n. Okay, from table name where condition. Okay, if you write it like this, we have general what we are seeing now, syntax 3. Okay, select a star from table name, simple one. Select a star from table name. What it will do, it will populate you all the columns name, which belongs to the this table. All the rows also it will populate. Okay, now next one, next syntax is what, select column 1, column 2, column n from the name, from the table name where some condition. Okay, now we'll go for the syntax 2. Select column 1, column 2, column n from the table name. So how can we write this one? So consider that I want to fetch only employee ID, first name, last name only. So all these three columns only I want to fetch data. I don't want phone number, high date and others. Okay, I want only employee ID and first name. So what we can write, we'll remove this star and we'll write simply employee ID, comma, first name. So what it will do, it will take data, all the data from this one for the employee ID, and it will show you only the first name, employee ID and first name, because we don't want all the records, all the columns and all the rows. we want only two columns name. So this only all the records it will show 107 record. We have total 107 record in this table. So all 107 records will show if you'll pass like this. Okay. I want to salary column also. Okay. Salary column also. Can we write it like this, guys? Can we write it like this?
Yes.
So we got salary column also. Whatever the column you want to include from this table only. Okay, nothing else, nothing outside. From this table only, you can add here. Okay, whatever the column you want, salary, commission person, manager ID, department ID, you can write it. Now I want to use our first this one syntax. Okay, select column 1, column 2, column n from table name, and I want to apply some condition, where condition I want to apply. Some condition I want to apply. I don't want all the values. Okay, I don't want all the values. What I want only employee ID 100 data. I want only employee ID 100 data. So what we will write here, where employee ID is equals to 100. Okay, where employee ID is equals to 100. Select employee ID, first name, salary, only 3 column we want. Okay, and where employee ID is 100, that only data I want, that only details only I want. So if you run it, only employee ID 100 data will show. Okay, so only 100 employee ID 100 data is so I want all the data for employee ID 100. How can we write all the columns, all the values? How can we write, guys?
Select star from employees where employee ID is 100.
Okay, so select a star we can write. So it will give all the details of this. Now we gave it 3 columns only, but now we'll give the star and we'll see that. Now we are getting all the value of all the columns, all the other details of employee ID like this. I want uh, I want the data of 100 and 101. How can we write, guys? Can you help me? Can we write like this?
Select star from employee where employee ID is 100, comma 101. Yeah.
It will work.
No, sir. You have to keep in a bracket.
Where employee ID in 100, 101.
Okay. So same thing what I have explained here in operator. We have to use in operator because we are passing 2 values. No, if you'll pass 2 values in equals to, see, SQL command not properly ended. What we have to do, we have to make it proper command in, because 2 values we are passing in, and then open the bracket, close the bracket. Now query is perfect. Now see, both the values are there. Now I want to include 102 also. How can we include?
Comma 102.
Same way, comma 102.
Comma 102. Okay. So it will give all 3 records. Okay. Now I want data for whose salary is 24,000 and 17,000.
Can't we use between here?
Between also you can use between 100 and 102. But we'll come on that one. Between operator will come. Okay. Just wait. We'll go in a proper flow. Okay.
Jen, shall we go by one? Later we can discuss that concept, right?
Yes, definitely. Now I want. Now tell me the output of this. Whose salary 24,000, 17,000. I want all data of that one. Tell me the query. Ping me in the chat. Yes, ping me in a chat if you are using laptop. If you are using mobile, then you can say orally, like you can say directly.
Hello.
Tell me.
Yeah, select salary from employees where salary in
Select.
salary.
Select a star from
Employees where salary.
Salary.
In.
What
are the values you have mentioned? You can enter that.
17,000, comma 24,000. Is it correct? It will work, guys. Everyone. It will work.
Yes.
Yes, James. Yes, James.
It's very simple. Where condition we are using to give the condition. These are all conditions. These are called conditions. So many people they have texted. Select a star from Rohit also correct. No, I guess we can do it. We'll show you that. Okay, Joshi also giving me correct query. Balakrishna also between also it will work. That is fine. Select a star from Kumar also is fine. Rahul also fine. Okay. Om also fine. Okay,
Sir,
guys. So you are
just
getting it.
one query. One
Yes.
query here. Like Vala has written between. So does it select, if somebody has a 18,000, somebody has a 19,000, somebody has a 20,000
Included.
also?
It will be included.
Yes, but we want a particular record of 17,000 and 24,000 only.
Yes.
So that's why we are using it.
Yes. So whatever the value will be there for this one, that only it will. So between operator, what will happen? No, it will set the range, lower value and upper value. Whatever it will come in between, it will show that value. So, but we don't want that value. We want particularly 17,000, whose salary is 17,000 and 24,000. Very good catch. Okay. So if you want only the selected value, then we can use 17,000 and 24,000. But as of now, in this one, we don't have any value between 24,000 and 17,000. So you will not able to see between operator in using between operator, but we'll see for the different value. Consider that in between 4,000 and 9,000. If I'll give here 4,000 and 9,000. So whatever the value will belongs to this two record, that only it will show. Okay, for this one. So we have 4,001 value and 9,000. Four values are there. If we'll use between operators where salary between 4,000 and this is the syntax to write the AND operator. Okay, guys. And 9,000. Now save this. How many records you are getting? You are getting 5 record. Okay. Now if you run this one, you will get how many records you are getting, guys? We are getting 42 records. Okay. We are getting 42 record. Okay. So this is the difference between your in operator. It will select that particular record only, and how many belongs to that one. It will show you that. Okay. And between operator, it's a range. Lower range will be 4,000. It will set, and then upper range it will set 9,000. We'll find out where we are 4,000 included or not. Now, can you just see 4,000 is there somewhere? 4,000 is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, is there.
So 4,000 is included. Let me see 9,000 included or not. So 9,000 also included, including a starting range from 4,000 to up to 9,000. It will work. Okay, it's not excluding, it's including. Okay, it's not excluding, it's including. Clear, guys? Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, in Friday class onwards, we'll start from the select statement again. Okay, I feel many people are there from like non-technical background, and you people may struggle again. So what we will do, this 10 minutes will complete till where condition with different condition. Then we'll do it select a statement again on Friday. So no worries on that. Okay. So now we used between operator, we used in operator. Now if you can use where sorry. Salary not between also you can use, not between 4,000 and 9,000. What will happen? Apart from this salary, it will show all other values. Okay, all other values. Now, if you want to check it, you can check it.
Sir, there is one question.
Yeah,
That
tell me.
select asterisk from employee where the employee ID in 100, 101, 102. So we can write many more. But here, after that, you have written DSC employee means this is for the descending order.
Not descending order. This is for the structure. Starting only we have used.
Okay,
If
sir.
you remember.
Okay.
Okay. Starting only we have used. Kalyani, you messaged me in
Okay,
WhatsApp.
sir. Okay, sir.
Kalyani. Kalyani. Okay. No worries. No worries. So this is what, if you will not write here not, means these are the things will be excluded from the list. 4,000 and 9,000 will be excluded, and all values from apart from this you are getting here. Got it, guys?
Sir,
So
in a
this,
version, we can write lots of queries and all. And which query we needed, that we need to select and we need to run. That is the main.
yes. And these queries will be shared to you. If you have no access, then you can ask access. Will be uploaded to the drive. Okay. I have uploaded the recording till yesterday classes. Whatever the recording is there, we have uploaded here. Okay. Document part I have to do it. Okay, we have not I have not uploaded demo recording, only uploaded yesterday class, and today class I'll upload it in this one, as well as the document also. Okay, so no worries in this. After this class we'll upload it, and if you don't have access, let me know. Okay, so this is what we have. Your select a statement, where clause is done, from clause is done, where clause is used to filter records. So okay, so what is the definitions of where clause is? Where clause is used to filter the record. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. So out of this list, whatever the it will satisfy, that only it will return the record, that only it will return the record. So where condition used to filter the record. Okay, we are applying filter condition here, correct? So we want out of 107 record, we want only 3 IDs, 3 employee ID only. So it will give you 3 ID only. So we are applying filters here. Okay, we are applying filter here. If the given condition is satisfied, then only it returns a specified value from the table. If the given condition is satisfied, then only it returns a specified value from the tables. Okay, so whatever the condition you want to apply, which value you want to get, you can specify here, but the format should be correct. You have to take care of the format also. And number of column, you can add it from the same table. Okay, same table, not outside of the table. Same table you can find a number of columns. Okay, table name, where condition. Optional clause in select a statement. There are some optional clause in select a statement: where clause, group by clause, having clause, order by clause. These are the clause you can use in select a statement. One things we have seen: where clause, group by and having will see in upcoming, order by clause will see on Friday class. Okay. Okay, so let's close the call till here. I don't want you to get confused more. Okay, otherwise we can complete this also, but new people, they will get they will be lost somewhere. So let's complete. I'll do one thing. I'll start from here only, and we'll see more queries on this. Okay, more queries on this, and then we'll complete in within half an hour, and we'll jump to the next chapter. Is it fine, guys? Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yeah,
we can,
fine.
yeah. Okay, guys, so we'll meet Friday. I have dropped the message in the WhatsApp. Please look into that. And next class onwards, we will have permissions of to join the class will be not not like freely. Okay, so whoever paid fees there, only the people will be able to join, and I'll make the security. So if you will try to join also, it will be on hold until unless your fee you have no permission, and or you have not paid fees. Okay, and if you are paying fees, share me the screenshot also, that will be added at one time. So we have done with the 3 regular classes and 4 demo classes. Okay, we have done with the 3 regular classes and then 2 demo classes, 3 or 2 2 regular classes. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's move. Let's join tomorrow, and please install the software. Or let me know if you'll have any issue. I'll tell Vishal to help you. Okay. Okay, guys. Any question?
Okay.
How is my method and all teaching method, guys? Any feedback from your side?
Good, very good.
Yeah, it's good.
Your
It's good.
explanation is very good.
Okay. So, guys, you are getting all the concept, no? Like whatever I'm saying, the communication is not a problem.
No, not at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Alan? Yeah. Any comment? Anything?
Hello,
Okay.
hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, actually, I'm trying to install the Oracle, but it is not supporting. Like it is getting no, aborted in between.
So, what is
When I
Windows you are using? Windows or Mac?
64-bit Windows only. Yes.
Windows only. Then you have done mistake that you are not installing this one download folder only. You maybe cut and pasted it somewhere. That's why you are facing this problem. So you have to extract here only in download folder only. Okay, in a download folder only you have to extract, and then from here only you have to install your software. Once you will be able to run queries, once you will be able to set the HR schema, then only you can then only it will be useful for to cut and paste into the your C drive. But before that, you have to do all the setup from the download folder only. Once you'll install, once you'll set the HR schema and all, HR schema and all, then only you will be able to get.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Do we need to download all both the softwares?
Yeah, both JDK as well as your this one Express Edition.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, let me know if you'll have any question. Message me, message me, or you can call me if you want to discuss more. We'll discuss. Today is Sunday. I'll be available only. That will be there. Next class, I'll show you that, and maybe Vishal will be taking care of installation. Like maybe today evening or Friday evening, he'll be taking up the installation part. Okay, or maybe weekdays he will help you to install the software. Generally, he take care of installation. Okay. So I'll tell him to drop me a message. Whoever is facing problem in installation, I'll ask Vishal to help you. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. I'll upload the recording in the drive.